Condescending, and there's nothing here for males, just horizon where the starline meets a tide. But in the silence I hear your voice describe another life where we can feel alive. Keep my love close, take my hand. If you just let go, I will be your home under purple skies where the moonlight goes. You can be my heart and I'll be your soul. You know we'll run free like a rolling stone. Just like the northern lights, we'll dance in between the tides, and I see them in your eyes. So just let go. My heart always used to hold. I know we'll run free like a rolling stone. Lay by the fire, feel the warmth of your embrace, burning desire when we both come face to face. But in the silence I hear your voice describe another life where we can feel alive. Keep my love close, take my hand. If you just let go, I will be your home under purple skies where the moonlight goes. You can be my heart and I'll be your soul. You know we'll run free like a rolling stone. Just like the northern lights, we'll dance in between the tides, and I see them in your eyes. So just let go. My heart always used to hold. I know we'll run free like a rolling stone. Rolling stone. Rolling stone. You can be my heart and I'll be your soul. I know we'll run free like a rolling stone. Rolling stone. Rolling stone.
This dance is called Rolling Stone, choreographed by Maggie Gallagher and Gary O'Reilly. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, improve level line dance. There's one restart in this dance. Section 1. Starting with right foot, cross rock, recover, side chassé. Left foot, cross, side behind, sweep and kick your right foot around. Section 2. Behind, side, cross, shuffle. Left foot side, quarter turn right, the right foot side facing 3, quarter turn right, the left foot side facing 6, touch. Section 3, right foot, point, touch. Heel forward, together, left foot, heel forward, together, rocking chair, right foot, rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. Last section, right foot, forward, pivot half turn left, facing 12, right foot, shuffle forward, left foot forward, pivot quarter turn right, cross, sweep your right. Now you're facing 3 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this dance, there's a restart on wall 4. You will dance 20 counts, then restart the dance facing 3 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 4 with counts starts facing 9 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. This is the end of 20 counts. Now restart the dance facing 3 o'clock. Now let me go over ending. Ending occurs on wall 10. You will replace the last 4 counts. So the last 4 counts start facing 6 o'clock. Step left foot forward, pivot half turn right, walk forward, left, right, left, bending knees, bring right arm back, roll right arm forward, roll the stone, ending. With counts 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.